In this quick video, I'll show you how to make a YouTube subscribe link. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. You can follow the process in both your mobile devices and iOS devices. I will show you the process in my desktop. So firstly, we just need to go to our channel. You can simply go to your channel page, or we can simply click on our channel icon, then view your channel. We just need to click there, and now you can see I am on my channel. After that, we just need to copy URL of our channel. You can find your URL on the top side of your browser. In some devices you can find it in the downside. We just need to copy it. For that, we can simply left click on our URL, then we can hit Ctrl C on our keyboard to copy it, or we can simply click on it, then press Ctrl C to copy, and we just need to paste it anywhere on our device. I will simply paste it here in Google Docs so that you can easily see it. We will simply paste it here. Then we just need to add this at the end of our URL. I will simply type here question mark at the end of URL. Then I will type here sub underscore confirmation, then is equal to, and now 1, and then we just need to enter on our keyboard, and now you can see it is now converted into link. We can simply click on it, then we can go to our channel, and now you can see confirm channel subscription. Are you sure you want to subscribe to Tutorial Basic? And anyone can subscribe my channel through this link. So this is the way you can add your YouTube subscription link. All you need to do is just copy this thing and then paste it at the end of your channel URL or any channel URL. Then you can simply get this subscription link. I will provide you this text, and you can simply copy it on your keyboard, and then you can simply paste it at the end of channel URL. Now it's your time to repay me. For that, you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching.